This is for the goal setters, list makers, go-getters, dreamers, planners, learners, and doers. Let's get to work. Okay, so this is what it looks like, all fresh and new. I'm going to pull this off. Okay, fresh, out of the box, out of the plastic wrapping. So nice, so good. I love the embossing. I love the simple design. Flip through this really quick. Area for your name and contact. Big things happen one day at a time. I love this page. I don't typically use it for a day or like the year at a glance. What I actually do is if I take notes pertaining specific items, or I do a big project plan, I'll add them to these sections. Each month has this heavier weight cardstock that's perforated, and you can pull it out, and it has those monthly artworks. Focus on what you can control, space for what the month is going to be about. You could rip these out, or pull them out because they're perforated, and hang them in your office somewhere. Every month, this again is a thicker card, thicker paperweight, not quite as thick as this cardstock, but it's the beginning of the month. Gridded section for project information, and then the week at a glance, or your weekly planning. And then project breakdown page, a gridded note page, your next one, or your reflecting goal set section, and then on to August. It's okay to make mistakes. Make it a good day, all the way through. One thing I like is that the tabs are in there a little bit. They peek out a little bit more, but they're mostly in line with the edge of the covers, so that they're not sticking out completely, which is really nice. So every month has the artwork, the monthly calendar, the weeks, the project breakdown, the note page, and then at the end, there is even more project breakdown pages and note pages. Then there's just what the coming year looks like at a glance, and you can forward plan here. And then this year, well, the newer versions now have this pocket page in them, which I'm super stoked about. In the past, in my old one, I've just added a vinyl pocket to the back, but super stoked that there's one in here, and I may even add the vinyl to the back as well. But that is my flip through of the July through June academic year Get to Workbook that I'm going to be transitioning to next. They are still available, so if you're wanting to switch, definitely do so. Get yours now, or you can wait until September if you like going January through December. And that's it for me today. I will put all the relevant links in the description box below. Have a great day.